Alright guys, good morning. I just want to let you know this is going to be a crazy week, maybe a crazy couple of weeks, and I just want to fill you in beforehand. It's going to be a lot of videos, tons of videos, and y'all will probably learn a lot. You're going to see all the stuff that I went through. I'm going to be uploading all my old videos. You guys have already seen a couple of them, and it's kind of fun for me because I'm reminiscing and going back through them, and it's cool for a lot of you. You guys are telling me because you get to see what I've done in the past that I really haven't made videos of and stuck them up on the internet, because I kind of, when we're posting on social, we do an edited version. We take all this footage and we cut down to the pretty parts and the stuff that works, and we make a tutorial and we put it up there. And as I'm going back through my old videos, I'm seeing, you know, all the ugly stuff and the things that didn't work, and lots of the other stuff that are still important because it helped me learn. They were learning experiences. So going back through all of the stuff is really cool for me too. So this little process is helping me just as much as it's helping some of you. So the next couple of weeks I'll be uploading a bunch of those, plus I'm going to be uploading what we're doing right now. So there's going to be a little mix of old and new. So the old stuff will say copyright free videos, because that's going to be stuff you can take and cut up and make as your own, and I explain that in another video. But the new stuff, I'm not going to edit it and get real serious and make, you know, all these fancy videos. I just want to bring you guys value. I just want you guys to see what I'm going through, and just like me looking through my old videos, I want you guys to see what I'm going through here. So I'm going to make it kind of like what's it, like a diary. It's going to be like a video diary where you guys are the diary. You know, I can come on in the morning and be like, "Dear diary," except it's going to be dear, you know, you guys, YouTube, Facebook, whoever, you know. So I'm going to come on in the morning and show you guys what we're doing, you know, what's growing, our project for the day, and just kind of film that a little bit and put that up. That way I can look back, and it's going to be a record of what I have been doing. And then as we work on the new organic nutrients and all the different experiments we go through, that I can go back and look through it, and I won't have to go digging through like my old footage and everything. That I'll have a record of it, like day 1, day 2, day 3. So I'm gonna just start, it's gonna be like a video diary and just documenting my journey. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if any of you learn anything from what I'm doing and you try it on your own, if anybody figures out something that works, share it with the world. You can share it with me and I'll share it with everyone else, you know, that's cool. But even if you just take what you learn and share it with somebody else, that's all that counts. Lots of stuff coming up. Next couple weeks is going to be crazy. Tons and tons of videos. I hope I don't overwhelm you, but I'm excited, and it's just hot. You know, it's triple digit weather. Not too many people feel like gardening right now, so maybe we can get all of this out of the way, and that way September we're going to start planting again. Florida, we don't have to worry about planting too early. Right now it's August. We can grow right into December and January. So I'm going to start planting next week. So this next month rather. So this is a perfect time for me to do all the stuff with the videos, get everybody caught up, put a ton of videos out there so you guys can take it, use it, make your own channels, make your revenue streams, and we're just going to get a lot done in the month August, when usually not that much gets done. This is the time when we're like just getting back to school, or it's too hot to do anything and summer's over. This kind of that little transition period that we're just hot and we're just waiting for fall, right? So we're going to get a whole lot done. I'm excited about it. You guys, much love. Get out there, lift, inspire, keep on growing, and be the change.